How to see hidden replies on X app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your X application from your device and get logged into your X account. Now, in order to see the hidden replies, let's go ahead and search for any post. You can also go ahead and tap on the post on your profile. Make sure that you fully open the post where you can also see all the comments. Now, in order to see the hidden replies, you have to tap on this three dot icon just beside follow button and tap on view hidden replies. As you do so, if the post has any hidden replies, you will be able to see it all right at this page. If it doesn't have it, it will show you nothing to see here. And just like so, this is how you can view all the hidden replies in X app. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.